The purpose of this video is to walk you through some, I guess I'll call them cryptographic enhancements to XBRL that are very helpful and very useful that you might not be picking up when you look at these reports. So first off, I want to show you that. So this, if I click on this, in fact, let me just open a new window. So when a report is generated, it's automatically uploaded to the internet. So this is on the internet. Anybody can get to this report. So that's not really a cryptographic enhancement, but so think about this though. This is one website. If this website were to go down, the report would not be available. Okay? So what this does is enable you to upload a report to IPFS. So most people don't know what IPFS is. It's the Interplanetary File System. So what this is, it's a cryptographically enhanced method of storing files on the internet, kind of like the way Bitcoin works. And I don't know if I'm explaining this correctly, but as I understand it, you load a file into IPFS and it makes the file always available. It can't go down because just like the way the blockchain can't go down, because you actually have a whole bunch of different node operators. The same thing here. A whole bunch of people host that file. So if one server goes down, there'll be another server that has the file and will serve it on the IPFS file system. So it's always available. Another enhancement is that every report, so here's a report. That's the report I just showed you. That report is connected to a taxonomy and other files that that file uses. That includes all the validation rules that I use to provide all of this additional validation that most people don't, other people don't provide. What this application, Audit Chain Pacioli, does is it takes all the files that relate to this and creates this hash, which is a unique Merkle hash of the report and all the referenced resources. Basically everything in the discoverable taxonomy set plus the report is cryptographically hashed, and this unique Merkle hash identifies all of the contents of that document. So what that means is that if somebody tampers with any of those files and then you rerun this to see whether it's been tampered with, either intentionally or unintentionally, that hash will change and you'll know that there's something wrong with the set of documents that has been used to represent that report. So you may be getting a different result, and maybe someone's trying to fool you, or maybe a mistake was made, but you'll know that because of this Merkle hash. It's, I think I'm explaining that correctly. Another thing that can be done is the transactions that make up the information in the report can also be hashed. So I'm not doing that here, but it is perfectly feasible to hash all the transactions, just like people talk about a triple entry accounting record. Imagine all the accounting transactions on a blockchain. So basically, you know everything that went in the document that or the report that is being created. So it's basically you have a very formal and sophisticated audit trail, so you know where every single piece of information came from in the report. So let me think of if there's anything else I can mention. I think I'm going to call that good, but this is just an example of the kind of things that cryptography and blockchain and digital distributed ledgers can do to enhance general purpose financial reports and other business reports. So I'm going to stop there.